2, 3, mic testing. சீக்கிரமா போறீங்களா? 50 ரூபா பில். ஆளுங்களா கொஞ்சம் பிசன் மாதிரி இருப்பாங்க. அதனால பிசன்.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another hiking vlog. Oh yeah, this monkey is cute, right? But not him in adult. This monkey is crazy. So yeah, I just recorded it since it's look cute. So today we are at Sungai Pisang Waterfall in Gombak, Selangor. This is one of favorite hiking spot for Malaysian in weekends. Sungai Pisang Waterfall is one of the most popular waterfalls because of its iconic tunnel passing, and only takes around 30 to 45 minutes to reach, and it's depend on your pace itself. One thing I really like about this trail is that the entire way you can see a river stream as same as Latagapi I went last time. So if you watch my previous video, you might notice that. Now this is the tunnel, probably the most unique part of the whole hike is about. So this tunnel is really long, and I guess it's roughly around 100 to 200 meters in length. And honestly, it's darker than I expected. So it's really good idea to bring a flashlight or simply use your phone torch. So I have a quite distance behind everyone else because I keep stopping to look around and film. But I can already see the light at the end of the tunnel, and my friends are waiting at the end of the tunnel itself. And after this, the mission to the waterfall began. So the water isn't too deep today, but just imagine coming here after a heavy rain. I can't just imagine how I'm going to survive from that flood. The water level can rise really quickly and the route can become dangerous. In fact, floods have happened in this area before, and also people got stuck in the tunnel. And I think it's just happened this year. So before planning your hike, always check the weather forecast. If it's raining or has been raining heavily, it's much safer to postpone it. So yeah, just continue watching until I reach the waterfall. And yeah, finally we reached the waterfall. The waterfall looked nice, right? And you can actually see the multiple streams flowing down the rock. So there is a 3 streams actually. So without further delay, I just jumped into the water. The water is cold, and actually it's not that deep, so yeah, it's just nice. It's actually worth to coming here. No wonder so many hikers keep coming back here. So after spending some time here, it's time to head back because more people are started to coming, and the place from nowhere suddenly becomes so crowded. So yeah, we have to give them space as well. So we plan to move out. So if you're planning to visit Sungai Pisang, come earlier in the morning if you want to enjoy the waterfall without huge crowd. Actually, there is another exit route just after the waterfall. and actually you don't have to use the tunnel route back, and you only get to know this from another hiker. So at the point we just like come so far, so we're not going to return back, right? So we just continue and we use the same route until we reach the tunnel. And that's the end of today's hike at Sungai Pisang Waterfall. So don't forget to like, subscribe for more hiking adventures. Until then, see you on my next hike to Gombak. See you guys again. Ciao.